Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated tech releases of the year, the Sony WF-1000XM5 wireless earbuds. Sony has a reputation for delivering top-notch audio quality, and these new earbuds are packed with features that promise to take your listening experience to the next level. From their sleek, compact design to the advanced sound technology, there's a lot to unpack here. If you're interested in these earbuds, check out the link in the description below. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First off, these earbuds are 25% smaller and 20% lighter than their predecessors, which makes them super comfortable to wear for long periods. Plus, they come with 4 pairs of polyurethane foam tips, including a new super small size for those with smaller ears. Talk about a perfect fit. Now, let's talk connectivity and features. The WF-1000XM5 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and supports LDAC for high-quality audio streaming. Sony's dual integrated processor V2 and HD noise-canceling processor QN2E are on board, processing 3 times more data than before. They also offer multi-point connectivity, letting you pair with 2 devices at once. Very handy. Battery life is another win for these earbuds. You get 8 hours of playback on a single charge and 24 hours total with the case. And if you're in a hurry, a quick 3-minute charge gives you an extra hour of use. Perfect for those on-the-go moments. Sound quality is where Sony really shines. The WF-1000XM5 delivers robust bass, clear mids, and detailed highs. Whether you're streaming on Spotify or Tidal, you'll love the 24-bit audio processing and DSE Extreme upscaling engine. And let's not forget the 360 reality audio feature that provides an immersive listening experience. When it comes to noise cancellation, the WF-1000XM5 is good, but not the best. It reduces background noise effectively, but there are other models out there that do it slightly better. Call quality, on the other hand, has improved. Each earbud has 3 microphones, including 2 feedback mics and a bone conduction sensor. Features like Speak to Chat, which pauses playback when you start talking, and head gesture controls for answering or rejecting calls, make them very user-friendly. The Sony Headphones Connect app gives you tons of customization options, from adaptive sound control to EQ adjustments. However, some might find the app a bit cluttered and not as easy to navigate as some competitors. Adjusting noise cancellation and fit tests can be a bit tricky to find. There are a few minor issues, though. Some users, including us, have experienced occasional connectivity dropouts. Even when prioritizing connection stability in the app, these issues persisted, which can be a bit frustrating. On a positive note, Sony has made the packaging eco-friendly, using zero plastic and sustainable bamboo. Always nice to see companies taking steps towards sustainability. So, to wrap it up, the Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds offer a fantastic mix of design, sound quality, and features. They have a few minor flaws, but they still stand out as a top choice for many users. If you're in the market for premium wireless earbuds, these are definitely worth considering. And this is the review of the Sony WF-1000XM5 wireless earbuds. If you're interested in these earbuds, check out the links in the description below for more information. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.